Hey guys, so basically today I am just going to show you what I use to clean my wheels and for the tyre gel. So yeah, I'm in the middle of cleaning it, but I'm really tired, so I don't want to be doing a full video today. So a full video will be up soon on what I use to wash a full car. But as you can see, my wheels are horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I clean them today. Everyone cleans them differently, don't they? So yeah, so please don't shout at me, guys. I'm cleaning it my own way. Ew. So here's the wheels. As you can see how dirty they are. So I've got the iron remover. Also got the wheel cleaner. So like I said, everyone do it differently. So I put the wheel cleaner on first, just to get all the dirt off. So let's go for that. This is my favourite one though, guys. Use it all the time. It's Deathless Detailing, and once again, but it is my favourite one. I have my little cute thing. This was from Halfords. I don't like wheel brushes. I always get my nail cut. So let's get all the right. I think I scrubbed long and hard enough. These calipers need to be sprayed, don't they? And then, so I've got them all spotless really. There's a few obviously brake dust marks, so I'm going to try and get them off now with this. Again, this is the iron remover from Deathless Detailing, and it has lasted literally ages. These are just the mini ones, guys. You can go obviously get the big ones. So come actually see the actual Team Dynamics symbol now. Let's go for another clean. Probably the quickest video I've ever done this. I love cleaning wheels, like I'm not actually joking. Ask anyone. I will clean anyone's wheels for them. I think it's like I can get my little fingers into like every little space, so. Make sure I get everything off them. So, and the calipers, it works brilliant on the calipers. I need to do a video fairly soon. On painting my calipers on it, because they're going, This has worked wonders. Right, and before I do the tyre gel, got my black microfiber. Got to nicely remove everything. See, a lot of people have a power wash. Mum and Dad have, but I don't because I don't power wash my car. So I've got a hose pipe, but it's no use to me because I've got a wrapped car. I can't use it anyway, so it's just no use. No point in buying one. But with what I use from Deathless Detailing, use one microfiber, one sponge, just for the wheel. It's pretty spotless. Alright, when I had the about the Foxes, they're about 18 million spokes. I hated doing them. Since then I've actually enjoyed cleaning one wheels. Gloves are from the Cosrace car box, by the way. So they're in pretty good nick, aren't they? Last but least, the tyre gel. Not sure if everyone does this, it might just be me. I actually use a paintbrush to apply it. So this again is from Deathless Detailing, but I do actually use a paintbrush. Just, I don't know why I do, but I do. So it just goes on so much better. So everyone's different on it, so please don't shout with me. This stuff actually lasts days when it's put on properly. So that's one thing I do recommend 100% from Deathless Detailing is actually the tyre gel. It's the only thing I've used, and it's the only tyre gel I've used anyway, and I've been like, oh my god, this is literally insane. Just 'cause it lasts so long, and Mum and Dad live on a dusty tractor, say a farm track, and I used it once and it lasted a good 8 days. It was a shock really. I am going to go over my wheel again, guys, don't worry. So yeah, it's my way of putting tyre gel in, is using a paintbrush, but I know some people are a bit narky about other people cleaning the cars because they obviously know one way and they stick to one way and they think it's absolutely perfect. So I do like you guys, by the way. I just think, just let me do my own thing. So I've just cleaned my wheel, this beautiful wheel. I've got enough for to do, but I'm always showing you one. The wheel is my favourite part of this car, so yeah, I absolutely love them. And yeah, so I do anything to keep them clean, but as I was saying before, I have my own way to clean my own wheels. Like, you've all got your own different ways, so please respect that. But yeah, so it took me about 10 minutes to clean one wheel. Great. But yeah, so ta-da! So guys, thanks for watching today's mini clip. So I do get quite a lot of questions like, what do I clean my car over, what do I do, this and that. So I thought, well, I'm doing my wheels tonight, so I'll do a video for you guys. So here you are. So thanks for watching. Please like, leave a comment, message me with all your favourite cleaning products. Just remember, I've got a wrap car. So yeah, so please keep subscribing, please keep sharing, it's great. So I will see you all very soon with more DIY videos.